Good morning, everyone. This is Candace from So Creative in Wenatchee, and I'm here with another unboxing video. We're doing this a little different. I'm the only one in the building right now, but I really wanted to get this out to you guys today. So we're going to make this work. I have already opened our box, taken plastic off so that we can look really nicely at the fabric. This is called Winter Warm Up or Warm Up Winter. Warmin Up Winter. It's from Northcott. This is a Christmas holiday line, and it's flannel. So we're starting to get some of our flannels in, which is really exciting. So first, turn with me. Haha. Okay, we are going to, I was going to flip the camera, but I don't think it's going to let me. So let's look at this. This is the panel. It's a 2/3 of a yard panel that we have going on here. Super cute. Again, flannel. I love the colors. This kind of aqua teal color is really in style right now, but I also feel like it helps mellow it out. So if you didn't want it to scream Christmas, it screams more winter and holiday, which is a really nice touch. So this has 4 kind of patches, and then it has this longer patch on the bottom. You could do things like pillows, you could do, a table runner with that nice one in the middle. You could do a whole bunch of different things. Wall hangings, of course. You could do quilts. All right, let's look at some of the fabric. So this is one of the prints that is in this collection. We did get the whole collection for you guys. We have this fun red collection portion. And what I like about these, here's some words, is the fact that they're all tossed. So these aren't really directional. You don't have to get extra fabric to make sure they're going the right way. So if you're doing PJs or something, you can just get the minimum. Okay, we have some of the blenders in the collection. Can you guys see that one? It's a really nice snowflake. This one is a little directional. Okay, got some cute lines. Here is the border fabric. So this is going to be directional, everyone. Nice border fabric. Okay. We have this one in green. I just love it. It's a beautiful green color. It's not too mossy. It's not too grass green. It's a lovely color. I'm going to walk over here. We have some red snowflakes. Definitely winter. And then this one is one of my favorites of this for some of the more interesting. I just think it's a nice fun combination of colors and snowflakes and can go with so many different things. All right, so remember, these are from Northcott Fabrics. We just got them in. My goal is to have these all out by the time I leave today. And so I wanted to definitely get this taken care of for you really quick. So come and visit us at 1139 North Princeton Street in Wenatchee, across from Lewis and Clark Elementary School. Or you can give us a call at 509-663-5516. Have a great day, everyone.